Thanks for joining me. My name's Tony Knoll, and today I'm going to be talking about Gewürztraminer, a grape variety that a lot of people don't know much about. Now, it's got a rather interesting sort of checkered history. It is one of the oldest original grape varieties we can trace back to having a very long history. Plantings go back to early Roman times in the Alto Adige region of Trentino in northern Italy, and then from there the grape variety seemed to move into the Pfalz region in Germany, but en route to where it's become most famous these days, the Alsace region in northern France. But in Australia, we make wines that are a different style to those of Europe. We make very delicate, light, aromatic styles of Gewürztraminer. Now, in Australia, Gewürztraminer needs a very cool climate to grow, so there's only a couple of places where the Gewürztraminer grape is grown well and people produce very good style of wines. A couple of spots in northern Victoria, in the Adelaide Hills in South Australia, and in several spots in Tasmania. And today I'm going to have a look at a Gewürztraminer from a vineyard on the east coast of Tasmania, near the Freycinet Peninsula, and this vineyard is called Springvale. And they've been producing Gewürz for quite a few years, and they make a very delicate, aromatic style of Gewürz, and we'll have a look at it. Very pale yellow colour. Oh, beautiful, delicate rose petals and lychees, very elegant style of fruit. Once again on the palate, those beautiful fresh rose petals and very elegant fruit, but nice dry finish. Very good Gewürztraminer. Now, these Australian styles of Gewürztraminer don't really benefit from time in the bottle or age, so they're best to drink when they're really young and fresh. The glassware you can use for these is just a very stock standard white wine glass like I'm using today. Now, in the wine industry at the moment, there is a lot of discussion about the different types of seals for wine bottles, and people are using Stelvin or screw cap twist top tops on wines to seal them. But there's a bit of a feeling that in the general public that people don't like these type of closures, so a new one's just been invented, or it hasn't just been invented, but it's just actually been started to being used commercially, and it is called a Windellock. Now, this is a glass seal that you can see on this bottle here, and it's for the first time ever some of these wines have just been bottled in Europe, in Germany and in Austria, and the first of these wines to be exported into Australia have just arrived, and I've been lucky enough to have a look at them. So a very interesting innovation in the wine industry and something that you might see a lot of in the future. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you, viewers, once again for tuning in for this last program on Tuscany. Fantastic meals produced for us tonight. Of course, le triglie livornese, red mullet in the Livorno style. Gnocchi, done with an anatra sauce, which is done with the beautiful duck on the bone, Michele.
Yeah.
And of course to the beautiful Anna, who's done the beautiful torta di riso, a very regional dessert to come out of Tuscany, of course. Michele, once again to you for your behind the scenes work, because I know a lot goes into working in this show.
Thank you.
Okay. And of course also to Caterina, support crew. And to the beautiful Nicole, once again, you've painted on some nice faces. We need that at the end of a long night. And Michele, I think we have to say a special thank you to Anna, don't we?
Yes, thank you very much, Anna. And also thank you to Silvia. We got Silvia, which is Anna's daughter.
Yeah. Yes, the taxi service and kept Mum calm.
She learned all the secret from Anna.
Yes.
She's cooking every night.
Yeah, right.
Beautiful meals.
For a mother.
No,
that's fantastic. Thank you very much to you, Sylvia, for taking Mum down tonight. We really appreciate that. Anna, wonderful. I hope you can come and see us again sometime soon.
Yeah.
Okay, don't forget. We won't forget you.
Lunch.
Yes, come for lunch. Buonasera, buon appetito. Alla prossima settimana.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.